Good afternoon, guys. I'm just going to show you around the garden now because I planted a couple of those little peacock flowers. I want to show you the progress on them. Also, we'll see what else is going off in the garden. So let me turn the camera. Let's go, guys. Let's go and have a look. Motor test style. Here we go, guys. There we go. Out we go. Now, you see these ones, guys? I've got some seeds for them, look, and they're starting to poke up. You see I've got two there, look. Here's the beginnings. I had three in here, I don't have to do one. But look, as you can see, guys, you can see the shape of the flower. These are peacock flower seeds. You see how the shell, that's the shell, isn't it, on there, look. That's the shell, but here, this one has got, it's got leaves, this one, look. So, and also, guys, I've got some more in here I planted today, look. You can't see nothing to that really because I've just planted them. There you go. So that's them. So let's just check out these flowers. Look at these, guys. These are very pretty. There we go. Very nice. And look, guys, I can take some more seeds. I can take some more seeds off a peacock flower, look. Got some black ones there, they're seeds ready for picking. There's my lantana plant. Lantana, very nice. We planted some outside, so, and the little yellow one's doing fine, look, guys, you can see. And the jasmine, very nice. So let's go around and see what else we can see, guys, in the garden. It's all my wife's lovely collection, and we've got some new flowers. Look what we bought. My wife bought yesterday some to plant outside. The lantana at the back. Oh, look at this one, guys. I've never seen one like that before. That's nice. Wow, beautiful. And look at these little crinkly leaves here, look, guys. We've got some over the back, some lantana. Yeah, this is all my wife's lovely collection. Wow, what's happened with these ones? Look, they've got furry leaves, look. That's the shape of the leaf. So I've got all those. Oh, let's see how these little trees are going here. Oh, this one's getting bigger now, guys. I forget what it's called, this one. Maple tree, I think. Maple tree. The other one's not so big as that one. But anyway, guys, let's go round and see what else we can see, because this is the back way, look. This is where our dirty kitchen and all the rubbish, waiting for the Basora man. The dog's old beds, look. A random brush sticking out of a thing. Look at this one, guys. Chow fan, I call this one. This is all my wife's lovely collection, look. Look at these ones, guys. Talisa in the background. Oh, yellow ones. Wow, look at this, guys. It's getting too big. Let's check out the rose bush, guys. There are a few roses here, look. A few rose bushes there. Beautiful white flowers. Oh, let's get a look at those, guys. Yeah, very nice. And these ones here. Very nice. So we just took our Christmas lights off. Two big curly whirlies, look. Curly whirlies. And there's a desert rose, I think it's called, isn't it? Desert rose. As you can see. And I got all these along here, look. This is all my lovely wife Carmen's collection. There's a dog's bed. I keep the dog beds up in case it rains, so I don't want it to get wet. Here we go, into the Forbidden Forest. Look at these roots here, look guys. It's like Jurassic Park. Let's check out these vegetable things. Oh, very nice guys. Look at this mangosteen guys, it never grows. It's getting bushy but no mangosteen. There's the wife's gloves hanging up. And we'll keep. Here we go guys. Back to square one. Let's just go around here. Let's have a look. Very nice. Beautiful flowers up, beautiful plants. What's happening? I think this one's where the bird keeps spitting on them. He sits in there and tries to destroy them. I've got one little lemon there, look guys, one little lemon. Got all this collection down here, look. Very nice. And then we're back to the peacock flowers there. Oh, let's check out my. There you go guys. That's one I planted from seed. I'm proud of that. From a packet of seeds I bought. We've got some more around here guys. I don't know what's happened to them. Ah, they're the ones that fell off. Ah, someone's knocked them off guys. But so I've only got one left after all that. Ah, someone's knocked my plant moss. I think the wind blew it off. But we've got cheerful yellow flowers guys. These are very nice. Look at this one hiding down here, hiding its beauty down here, look guys. Yeah. The lantana. These beautiful ones here guys. And where's the other ones? We've got some Buddha belly here. There's some Buddha belly ones here, Buddha's belly they call this, but I think the ants have been making it. Yeah, look at the ants, they've made some here, look, haven't they? So I'm going to see if I can grow some of these. What is that guys? Oh look, there's a little caterpillar in there. You see him guys? The little caterpillar. I don't want to touch that because I think it's one of those that make you itchy ones. Yeah. There he goes, so he's on the move. Yeah, don't touch that guys. I'll spray him like you. There you guys. Let's take a quick look at the sky. There's the recording studio, look, the Cooper where we do recording. We've got the palms at the back. There we go. We've got a lovely breeze today, breeze and sunshine. So let's go back guys into the recording studio. This is a recording studio. There we go guys. Whoa, my face looks red. Hey, it's hot out there. So there you go guys. Hope you enjoyed that. So that's the state of the garden. My wife's got to plant some more lantanas outside tomorrow. She went visiting garden centres in Cavite to buy some new plants. So we'll be planting them out tomorrow. So there you go guys. Hope you enjoyed that. One little garden tour for Friday the 9th of January. There you go. Alright guys, take care now and hope you enjoyed the garden tour. Bye bye now.